Lesson 2. Cases, Definiteness, and Pronouns. In this lesson, we will cover noun cases and pronouns for the IM syllabus. Intermediate Arabic expects you to know 3 grammatical cases: nominative, accusative, and genitive. A regular triptote singular noun in the indefinite nominative takes a damma plus tanwin, making it kitabun. If it is the direct object, it takes the accusative case, marked with a fatha. For example, in the sentence, kataba at-talibu ad-darsa, meaning the student wrote the lesson. Ad-darsa is the direct object and takes the accusative. Prepositions like fi, meaning in, govern the genitive case. However, diptote nouns like Ahmed lack tanwin and show only 2 surface case forms, taking a fatha in both the accusative and genitive. You must also understand the idafa construction. In the phrase kitabu at-talibi, or the student's book, the first noun is in the construct state. It never takes tanwin or the definite article, and it is defined by the second term, which must be genitive. When using attributive adjectives, they must agree with the noun in gender, number, case, and definiteness. For example, both words take the definite article in al-kitabu al-jadidu for the new book. Finally, let us review pronouns. Isolated pronouns like ana, anta, and huwa stand alone as I, you masculine singular, and he. Attached pronouns act as suffixes. On a noun, they show possession, so kitabu means his book. Attached to verbs, they become objects, like when the suffix ni means me. You also use demonstratives like hadha for near masculine and hadihi for near feminine.